Hi everybody, it is the first Sunday of 2018. I do have a New Year's resolution. I want to post one video a week. And I didn't have a lot of time this weekend, so this was a quick little fun video. If you stick around, I'll explain at the end about how I made this video. But if you didn't notice, I did get the new iPhone 10 and just trying to play around with it, learn its capabilities. I keep wanting to call it the iPhone X. Does anybody have this problem? So I call it the iPhone X, but it's referred to as the iPhone 10. So, okay, my New Year's resolution is to post one video every week. And I'll try to get that video out by Sunday, and I know it's going to be challenging for me. I'm a pretty busy guy. I've got a lot of extracurricular activities. I've got a lot of side gigs. I got a full-time job. I also proudly serve in the Air National Guard, so that takes up 1 week in a month, and it just makes it really tight for me to get a video out there or get a project out there, because it's really the last thing on my list to do. I do enjoy it. I don't really like editing that much, but I love building stuff, and I love building things that I want. And building stuff for yourself doesn't always make you money, so sometimes I'm just stuck having to build things that are actually gonna make me money and make use out of that time. So it does become very difficult to make videos, but I'm going to try and stick to it. It's going to be hard. I'm going to try and stick to it. So hold me accountable. And if I can't get to it, ask, because knowing that you guys out there watch my videos and appreciate my stuff and have comment and feedback, it motivates me, it pumps me up to continue making videos. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy putting it out there, and I like your feedback. So, what I have on the list for this year, I got a long list. So I am in the middle of building my shop. I got the roof on it. I'm missing about 2 panels off the roof, but it's almost done. Then I got to start on the walls. And anybody that knows me knows that I don't work well in the cold, so the temperature has dropped around here, and in the cold, I don't know, I just don't have any motivation. It's hard for me to get motivated and get out there, so plus it's dangerous. So I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little bit before I finish up the shop completely, but I'll be bringing some videos on that. My wife's been asking me for some things. She wants like a table for behind her sofa. I can't remember exactly what they call those. So that's on my list. I've got some tractor builds. Let me see. What do I need on the tractor? So I need a ballast on the tractor for one. I was looking at log splitters for the back of a tractor. That's kind of a big project, so I don't know if I'll get to it. I'm gonna need a new welding table. What I really need to focus on though this year for these kind of videos are small projects. So if you got any small project ideas, let me know. I know there's a lamp that I want to build, some bookends that I want to build. I built some bookshelves. I haven't videoed. I haven't edited the video yet, but I did build some pretty cool bookshelves. And I wanted to start doing smaller stuff. That way I can build it, I can edit the video, and I can post it without it being too much of a burden on me. And I want to get better with my video editing. Another thing that I want to do is I want to do interviews. I'd like to interview some people, like local businesses. I just want to interview them. I want to learn more about people's stories. I want to learn where they came from, how they got started, what they do, what makes them interesting, and then have a dedicated build for them or for their business. Kind of like a sponsored build, but a sponsored build that has a story behind it. Another idea I have is to, I read a lot of books, I listen to a lot of books on Audible, and to have dedicated builds towards a book, you know, towards one of my favorite books, maybe one book a month or something. I'll have a favorite book and just do a quick little build that, yeah, that is inspired by the book. I also have another plan, vision, I guess you could say, to get into some knife making, and not just any kind of knife. It's going to be a special kind of knife. I'm not going to give it away just yet, but I'm researching it right now, and I'm looking into how to make handles and how to make the wood, how to make the blade, how to hone, and how to forge. And so I'm just now getting into that and starting to look into some things. You know, I see some people out in the world that inspire me, and they've got big followings, and they're only good at one thing. They do one thing, and they're just really really good at it. And they walk you through their story of getting good at that one thing. And I think this will be my version of that one thing, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm still toying with the idea right now. I just wanted to make this quick little video. It was kind of a fun video. I'm testing out my new iPhone. I didn't really care for this Animoji thing. I thought it was kind of silly, but it actually is kind of cool. And after I got the idea to make this video, I started looking into how to do it, and I seen what's big right now is people making karaoke videos out of their iEmoji. So once I read up on that, I knew that making this video was possible. It is a little bit complicated though. So your iPhone has a self-record option on it, so you have to go in and select that, and then you self-record on your iPhone. And then you bring up your emoji and you start recording your emoji. But the other problem is that your emoji doesn't have a voice recorder on it. If you record the emoji, it only has about a 10-second lifespan with the video in the recording. So what you have to do is you have to record the emoji on your phone with no audio, and then you have to set up a separate voice recorder that is unattached from the phone. Then I plug all that into my Mac, and then I edit the video with the voice recording layover. So that's kind of how I've made this video. I'm just trying it out. It's the first time I've done it. The thing about these Animojis is you have to have a lot of facial expressions. So you got to be very dramatic with your facial expressions, and you look kind of silly making the video. I'm really looking forward to 2018. Like I said, I'm gonna try and get a video out there, and if this video does well, I might make some more. It's kind of fun. It's kind of silly, and it's just kind of cool technology, and that's what it's all about. It's about learning new things, learning new technology, stretching yourself a little bit, getting new capabilities, and that's why I think this is kind of cool. It's a fun little toy. I think it's useless as far as utility, but it's entertainment and it's entertaining. So it makes you laugh. If it makes you laugh, then maybe there's something to it. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of my monkey face. Next time I could be a robot maybe. Huh? How does that look? Or I could be an alien. There you go. How about that? Or I could just go straight for the shithead. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any build ideas out there, and I wish you a happy new year. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel. I'm on Facebook now and on YouTube, so check me out in both spots. I'll change it up a little bit on both areas. and I'm looking forward to the year. All right, well, thanks everybody. Fabrication Nation, go build something.